Off what was a pretty cool weekend across western New York with temperatures largely into the 60s. We do have some patchy areas of fog that we're going to have to contend with here this morning. Otherwise, a decent day with a mixture of sun and clouds. Showers will make the return on Tuesday, and as we go through the middle of the week, we're going to have the idea of fall in our minds with temperatures back into the 60s, and it might even be a little bit on the unsettled side. But of course, it's all about 9/11 today, our solemn remembrances, and of course later on today it's all about the Bills and the Jets, and that block party weather is going to be pretty good. Some pretty good football weather here going into this evening, with temperatures slowly dropping from the 70s into the 60s. Hourly rain chances will increase for Tuesday, not for today, but for tomorrow afternoon. We're looking at some showers making their way back into western New York, and rainfall tallies will be on the order of something like 1/10 of an inch down towards the western and central southern tier. Should be closer to 1/4 of an inch in places like Buffalo. Still tracking Hurricane Lee, a formidable hurricane. Top winds right now of 120 miles per hour, continuing to make its way off to the northwest very slowly. It will start to accelerate later into the week, but I believe this is a fish storm. It is going to be churning up the Atlantic in a big way. Dangerous rip currents along the Atlantic coast as we go through the next several days. So if you have some plans there, keep that in mind. We're at 61 degrees right now with the wind coming in out of the north at 3 miles per hour, 97% relative humidity. Some patchy areas of dense fog, especially into parts of southern Erie County right now, and also into parts of the western and central southern tier. Satellite radar put together show that we do have those low clouds down here through parts of the western and central southern tier, but those should break up fairly quickly. And there's your futurecast showing some of the clouds here this morning, but partial sun for the afternoon. Again, easy to take temperatures, a lot warmer than what it was. We're back into the mid 70s in Buffalo, low 70s in the Falls, where you're starting out in the 50s here this morning. Clouds will tend to be on the increase as we go into tonight, and then as we go into Tuesday, we'll start out dry, but then showers will make their return probably into the afternoon. So we have to keep that in mind as well, and they'll be scattered about into Tuesday night. So the call here for the day today, low 70s should do it in Albion with a mixture of sun and clouds. In Medina, you're up to 72 for a top temp. In Lancaster, it's partly sunny, 75 for the high, and we're partly sunny in Buffalo, 75. Again, some patchy areas of fog this morning, low 70s into the western and central southern tier. Clouds increase tonight, and there's your super 7-day forecast. Showers on Tuesday, highs into the low 70s, mostly cloudy midweek, and again, a lot cooler. We're back into the mid 60s for highs. That's well below normal. Then we get into the weekend and temperatures respond nicely. Hey, the Festival of Grapes taking place in Silver Creek, and you're going to be into the upper 60s with a good supply of sunshine Friday. Low and mid 70s. Nice weekend coming up. Good news for all your outdoor plans then. So you're watching 7 News this morning. Stay with us.